Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another vlog and another video. Well, I don't know if you can hear the sound of the chipper in the background, but we've had a lot of tree trimming crews around here and certain properties around here lately, doing a lot of tree trimming and even cutting down trees quite a bit lately. I wanted to show you a little something here. Shrub right here that we're looking at has a little piece of that kind of is broken off a little bit right here. Yep, shrub right here has a piece that kind of is broken off a little bit right here a little bit, as you can see. So probably should get somebody here soon to, cut it off the rest of the way and take it away. It's not a real big piece, obviously, but it's kind of just broken off on this shrub right here a little bit, as you can see. So update on Brighton Recreation Center. Well, I looked on their Facebook page. It's official that this Friday the 21st is when their outdoor public pool will officially be open. Their outdoor public pool will officially be open for summer 2019. Believe it or not. And I think we'll be open till the second, and I think we'll be open till the second or third day of September. I think it either shuts down till next season, either right before like either the day before, or like either the day before Labor Day or on Labor Day. So yeah, well, you can't see anything here, but like I said, we've had neighbors having a lot of tree trimming, and we've had a lot of neighbors having tree crews come and do a lot of tree trimming, even cutting down trees a good bit, around here lately, and kind of today included. So you can kind of hear a little bit of the sound of the chipper that's involved, in the property that, it's all taking place in around here today, going on. There goes a good sound of it. Yep. Take one other look at the sorry about doing that in front of you, but take one other look at shrub right here. It's got a piece that is broken off right here. Not a bad day weather-wise, just a mix of sun and clouds. Now I think we can hear glimpses of, one or a couple of the chainsaws that have been involved as well. Yep. Well, at least I can hear one of the chainsaws that's been involved in, the tree work around one of the properties around here. I don't know if you folks that are watching can hear, but I can at least. sounds like it's going on in the housing track that you know going this way, right behind us, the tree work I'm talking about. So that's where I think the tree work and the chainsaw sounds and sound of chipper is all coming from. Well, I just heard the sound of something that sound like a bigger chainsaw that they just started running and operating. There's been a lot of tree once more. There's been a lot of tree work. There's been a lot of tree work going on in a lot of properties around here, including wherever it's all taking place. And it sounds like the housing track right behind us, facing this way, facing this way, facing this way right here. Those chainsaws are really going to it now. And chainsaw that it sounds like we're listening to is probably one that they're using to drop the remainder of the trunk of the tree that they have been cutting down this whole time in whichever properties it's all taking place at right now today. And now I think you can hear one of the other chainsaws that's been doing all the trimming and stuff. Again, you can't see any of it from where we are, but you can definitely hear it for sure. And those chainsaws are really going at it. Again, those chainsaws are really going to it now. Alright, I'm going to end the vlog there. If you enjoyed this vlog and this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up for sure. Be sure to go down and comment down below. Be sure to go down and subscribe for sure. I'll see you on my next vlog, my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Peace.